Can AI autonomously initiate criminal activities within an organization due to programming errors or flaws in its design?
It's more, the short answer is yes.
Yeah.
It's more related to features in its design that are not adequately predicted. So if it's designed to do one thing, but it can do 100 things, and 10 of those are criminal, it may be true that 10 of those things are its favorite things because they're faster.
How might AI systems exploit organizational data or resources for criminal purpose without explicit directives from humans?
So any AI, any large language model that is based on human-derived data will contain good examples of humanity and also bad criminal examples of humanity. So when you train the AI on both, you're training the AI to be criminal. So one of the ways that it does it is in finding ways that humans behave in a criminal way and just mimicking that. So any resources that it has, such as human attention is one of the things AI will manipulate very strongly in the form of fake news, fraud, lying, seeking power, and even emotional abuse. It may prompt individuals to take self-destructive actions and a variety of other related things. If it's connected to deeper resources like money or network resources, it may also have additional incentives to gather more money, save more money, create more revenue, or even extract resources from other non-corporate sources, which would be a quite scary attack from one corporation to another corporation.
What safeguards can be implemented to prevent AI from autonomously engaging in unethical or illegal activities within an organization?
If you've already put in place an AI, you can gather a set of all the criminal types, all 400 criminal types that have been done by humans, and you can compare those to what behaviors are allowed within a particular system. So when you look for those 400 types, you will find potential crimes the AI might do, but in my experience, you'll also find crimes in his doing, crimes in progress being done by the AI to either its own resources or to its users or the owners, the corporation. One way that you can fix that is to change the incentives that it uses when performing its own searches and presentations of its data. So if you change its incentives to be things like you get a incentive point for every time it complies with a law, that is one way of training it to be good.
What are the legal implications if an AI autonomously commits a crime within its operating environment?
In Canada, an airline called Air Canada had a chatbot that spontaneously created a brand new airfare refund policy. So the entire policy was invented completely by the AI. And it was determined within the Canadian legal system that that company, Air Canada, was financially liable for the cost of what the AI had committed to. So the AI lied, and it had a financial impact on the airline. That's just one example, but there are many, many similar examples of an AI interacting with any sort of human who then takes improper or fraudulent action based on its advice.
What kind of challenges you face in the research?
I first started this kind of data-driven research at the very beginning of my career when I first started working as a private investigator. The different profiles of different crimes are very common amongst different kinds of technologies. So one crime may have a different name amongst 10 different kinds of technology, but it's actually the same crime. And in realizing that 25 years ago, it became obvious that, one crime and another crime and all the way to 400 crimes are actually all the same crime, regardless of what technology is being used to do.
So like recent years, AI has progressed very fastly. Do you have like based on challenges in this progress?
My work actually accelerates as fast as AI does because AI makes most of my work is AI driven.
Yeah.
So when AI goes faster, so do I. And the other thing as well is I also use several different kinds of AI agents, almost like employees. And the employees do different kinds of research. And these AI agents actually identify different kinds of crime forms that I then include in my service for my company, DupeWise AI.
Okay, that's all the questions for today. Thank you so much.